Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to PEPE video update. Today I've actually opened up the private for September, and if you do not know what the private really is, check the top right of your screen for a video, or maybe at the end of the video, to learn more about what the private really is and the question you may have. Now back into the PEPE update today, and I'm actually going to leave the Discord link on the comment section, so make sure you check the comment section, or if you're really interested to get in Discord, just comment Discord, and the ones who are actually interested, I'm going to give you the link. Now here it is. Okay, we have seen a little bit of a pump with Bitcoin, but unfortunately we're still struggling to push higher. I mean, it's a little bit of a pump, an exciting one, but not very good. I may just say it's a part of the sideways movement, or even a much better word is that it's a retest of a certain trend line. So what is that retest of the certain trend line? I think that you still have this one support here, support, you lost the support, you went back up, and you're kind of retesting it, and if you look at it, it has actually made a failure of a retest. So you can see that it just went up here and got rejected with that red candle as well. So this may actually be bad unless you don't really break above it and start to go to the upside. I think that if we do see Pepe coming up to maybe nearly 8,945, then that can actually push it even higher to 11,000 or 10,000 and a half probably, because on the daily time frame that bear flag still is not getting invalidated. The flag still remains. It broke down, it went for the retest, and that actually does still look like a recipe to just get rejected here and drop it down. Still looks like a recipe. Now what I want to say is that the only way to invalidate a bear flag is when you really come above the flag itself. Okay, so I'm just going to mark the territory where it's going to be safe, and that is 9,008. And I think if you just make it up to 9,008, perhaps we're going to be really good. And that's all for the quick update on Pepe. Hope you enjoyed this, and check the comment or check this private frequently asked question. I do recommend all of you to be in for September, because then again, I do have a plan for September, and that's what I'm telling you. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.